Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A51, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Here you need to type iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Now click on while using the app, Allow, and then Home button. After that, you need to tap on iOS Launcher, select Always, and click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!